Hey guys, welcome to Quiz and Info Hub. In this video, you have to answer 10 questions. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. You may pause the video for more time. Don't forget to post your scores in the comment section below. Good luck. Let's get started. They each other since last year. Knew, know, have known, has known. The right answer is have known. Sorry, Mr. Brown. My homework at home. Have forgotten, forgot, forget, didn't forget. The right answer is have forgotten. My brother to study for his exam yet. Has started, hasn't started, has started, was started. The right answer is hasn't started. Him several times before. Have saw, seen, saw, have seen. The right answer is have seen. I know what happened there. About it. Haven't heard, heard, have heard, hear. The right answer is have heard. I am very tired. 6 pizzas since morning. Delivered, have delivered, was delivering, deliver. The right answer is have delivered. I need to take a bus because my car. Have sold, sell, sold, was sold. The right answer is have sold. I am so happy because my English exam passed, passes, have passed, didn't pass. The right answer is have passed. She is unhappy because her keys, losing, lost, have lost, has lost. The right answer is has lost. I am hungry because anything. Have eaten, still haven't eaten, haven't just eaten, have already eaten. The right answer is still haven't eaten.